late, it's late, ooh, it's late, but we got it, my dears, and it's July Boxycharm unboxing time. Now, as usual, what did we get this month? Is it worth it? Is it worth your time, money, and waiting for the month with basically your mini presents? Well, the only clue I'm gonna give you, it's all on my face, my dears. Problem is, what products are they? So, if you're ready to find out what we got in our July 2020 Boxycharm, then keep watching, my dears. Keep watching. And 1, 2, 3, and shh. Well, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, my dears, and thank you so much for pushing the little play button. I really appreciate it. Now, this month, we got our July, a little late, but July Boxycharm unboxing. Now, as usual, I did take a little peek in here to see what exactly do I need to do to prepare this, to show you what I got on my face. The routine every month, my dears. But before we begin, I'll show you what's in this box and if it's worth it, if I like it or not, and your opinion. I just want to remind you, please consider subscribing and remember to push the little notification bell because it will let you know when my videos are up and loaded, my dears. And remember to follow me on all of my social medias on Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, and even Snapchat. And it's all the exact same handle at EnidBlueSinger, as well as my IMDb page, EnidBlueSinger. Now, for no further ado, let's hush and let's go straight into the Boxycharm unboxing surprise. Well, good morning, my dears. Now let's start with our Boxycharm unboxing of July 2020, because it's just a fabulous year, just fabulous. Alright, so everything I see in this box, even though it's kind of covered, you can't really see much. But first things first, we're gonna read what the theme of the month is. It is Boxycharm Sunshine. It's 7:30. Where's the sunshine? I'm just saying. I woke up sassy this morning, my dears. I woke up just a tad sassy. And then in the back, it has all the products and descriptions. I'm going to be reading them with the prices. So, the first thing I see in this box is this big palette. And this from Ace Beauty Bronze in Paradise. Now, this is a bronze palette. But due that it didn't come with an eyeshadow this month, which is, I'm perfectly fine. I have like a whole box of eyeshadows I still need to go through. It's going to be couple years, so I'm perfectly fine. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to be using this palette as eyeshadow, which is why I only have concealer, eye primer, and powder to prepare my eyes, my dears. Ooh, it's pretty. I like the colors. I really do love the colors, my dears. Now, because I have seen what's going on in this box, I'm going to be using all of this, but I'm going to be using one other product on my eyes too. That's coming soon, but I will be using these products on my eyes. Now let's just, before we begin, this palette's actually about, because I think I've gotten Ace one other time in Boxycharm. Ace beat Bronze in Paradise. The Bronze in Paradise bronze palette is an addition to the much-loved Paradise collection. 4 bronzer shades are featured to provide a natural sun-kissed look. Can be layered on top of a liquid, cream, or other powder complexion products. This is $30, my dears, $30. Alright then, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this box down. It says I have not tried anything in this product. The colors, what shows up, what doesn't. I'm going to try to see what happens. I do have my couple brushes, and if you're curious about where I got this brush, it's all on Amazon, believe it or not. And it's just so cute. I got like a pink one of this too. Not a fan of pink, but it's just cute. And then of course, my coffee, and let's begin, shall we? Let's begin. And that's basically my look. I use these 2 lighter colors right on the outside of my crease, and I put these in the inner part of my crease. Ooh, it looks nice. It has a cute little dimension. They blend out absolutely smoothly and beautifully. Honestly, I know most people think, oh, a bronzer palette. I apologize, there's people cutting grass early in the morning. There's people thinking, oh, well, it's a palette. It's mostly for makeup artists, and they will be right. But honestly, like I said, for eyeshadows and to add some dimension, you can use all of them just like I did. And I may just use quite a bit of them when I actually do my bronzer. So this, very good, my dears.
Alright, my dears, now this is going to be a voiceover because outside people are basically mowing the lawn and it's way too loud. So let's begin. This is the Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil and it's basically in the shade Arc. And this is basically what it says. An ultra precise brow pencil designed to impart the thinnest hair-like strokes for microblade. Worthy effects without the blade. The 1.4 millimeter tip provides complete control for naturally defined brows. And this is $28. All right, let's see what it does, shall we? Alright, my dears, the next thing in the box is the Beauty by POPSUGAR Makes Waves Liquid Metallic Eyeshadow. Yes, my dears, it's an eyeshadow. And basically, this is what it says. If mermaids made makeup, this would be it. A magic water that washes liquid color over the lids and dries fast. Use make waves to deposit shimmer directly on the lash line or build bolder colors on the lids for a 3D effect. Any way you wear it is bound to make a splash and it's $23. Yeah, I'm basically trying to shake it to death. It's kind of silvery and yeah, if you look at the applicator, it looks like a lipstick applicator. It's kind of weird, yeah. And here we go. Alright, my dears, now that's everything with the bronzer and with the liquid metallic eyeshadow situation that came in the box. So give me a moment. I'm going to go and clean up and then I'll be right back to show you the rest of the stuff that's in the box. So give me just a moment. Alright, my dears, I am back. I'm all cleaned up. I look, it's nice and clean. And yes, they're still mowing the lawn. So continue on with my voiceover. The next product we're going to see is from One Skin NAC Y2 Pollution Defense Booster. And this is what it says. A daytime booster to fortify your skin against the harmful aggressors of the digital age. This unique booster shields the skin against physical and blue light pollution through a powerful combination of peptides and antioxidants. This is $135. That's right, my dears. I said it. $135. Ooh. That's expensive. All right, so here's the product. See how it looks like. It's a small glass bottle. Better be for $132. I'm just saying. I'm sorry, $135. And it says to shake it, so I'm trying to shake it very, very ferociously. And it says to put 1 to 2 drops and put it all over the face. But the dropper doesn't seem to be going so much, and it's a little bit globby. It's interesting. And I'm putting it around my face, but apparently I need to be a savage. Yeah, I need to be a savage, my dears, because I need to put it all over my face, and it's a tad sticky. Alright, my dears, now give me a moment. I'm going to step away. I'm going to put on my foundation, my concealer, some powder for the rest of my face. And then I will be back to put on the bronzer as the bronzer palette is intended to. And we have one last product left. So I'll see you in just a few moments. Just a few moments.
Alright, my dears, I am back. I finished putting my primer, my foundation, and this is where we are now. Like I said, there are 2 more products left in this box, but due that we got a, now that I can speak and it's not a voiceover, a bronzer palette, I thought let's apply it to the skin, shall we? So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to use my e.l.f. and let's start applying these lovely colors and see if I can use all 4 or just a couple. Let's see. Alright, my dears, and that's basically how the bronze looks on my face. I did try all the colors. Okay, this darkest one may be a little too warm for me, but it's actually quite nice. And like I said, I did use all these on my eyes. I'm actually going to finish up my eyes with a little bit of this. Actually, I'm going to combine these two and put it underneath the eyes. So give me just a moment. Alright, my dears, and that's basically everything that I can do with this palette. I actually like it. It's very smooth, it's very blendable. You don't have to fight for it to be on your skin. These two are a little bit lighter. These two, you know, a little bit if you're in a deeper complexion. I'm like in a medium tone. I'm not deep, but I'm not that fair. So, but I do love this one, especially when I use it underneath here and underneath my eyes, under my lash line. I like it. So this is definitely a big like. I like this palette because, you know, with Boxycharm palettes, they're usually a hit or a miss. So far, this was a hit. And now, my dears, the last thing in the Boxycharm unboxing is the LMR Cosmetics. Let's see what it says, shall we? Let's see what it says. I know, now that you can actually hear my voice. This is the ALAMAR Cosmetics Birthday Suit Lip Gloss. ALAMAR Cosmetics is celebrating their 2-year anniversary by wearing their birthday suit. Universally gorgeous pink diamond dripping gloss. This is $15. Alright, my dears, let's see how this actually looks like. Alright, my dears, this is very like sheer. It's a lip gloss. It's not gonna have much color. It has a very nice cake smell to it. I like it. I like it, my dears, and it's very smooth. It is a touch tacky, but it's a lip gloss. But it is, it's one of those that's just, it's gonna come off. But I think underneath the color, it would be a beautiful shine. And that, my dears, is everything that's in the box. Give me a moment. Let me my hair like it needs to be, and we'll review what if I thought everything in this box was worth it, what I thought about the products, and yeah, let's see if this month was actually worth it, my dears. So give me just a... Alright, my dears, I am back, and let me tell you my thoughts on the products. First and foremost, the Ace Wheat Bronze in Paradise palette. Yes, it does have 4 different shades. It is cruelty free. It doesn't tell you the name of the shades anywhere, not even in the front. So I'm pretty sure it doesn't exist. But everything blends beautifully, the colors are fine, and if you think, look, this is mostly for a makeup artist, and you can use it for yourself. I mean, I used all 4 colors, my dears. I used all 4 colors. Like I said, you can use it for eyeshadow, especially if you work in a professional setting. They're brown, they're neutral, so you can't get in trouble. You're good. And these to give a beautiful, like, deep inner crease. Oh, love it, my dears. I absolutely love it. So this palette, I'm actually in love with. I'm very glad I have it. So this one, my dears, is definitely worth it. Definitely. The next product that I got is the Hourglass Brow Micro Sculpting Pencil in the shade Art. It's smooth, it's nice, it's very tiny, like the very tip. The only thing I didn't like is that I felt like I have to keep going into my brows, because this color, it works for my brows. Interestingly enough, it works, which I would think that'd be a hard shade to distribute to everyone, but I guess this one works. Like I said, I will use this up, my dears. I will. It's just one of those parts that you have to really keep going, and you have to kind of dig into your skin a little bit, which I kind of don't like. So this is it's okay. It's not a bad product. It's just not my favorite. Like Too Faced, except the Too Faced Chocolate Brown, they're discontinuing. That's not cool for Too Faced. No. The next product that I got is the 111 Skin Harley St. London, the Pollution Defense Booster. For the price, will I ever get this amount? Nope. It's too expensive. Does it work? I don't know. All I can tell you is that today I used it as a primer. It was very sticky. I guess it depends. I mean, I do work in front of my computer all day, so I will use this up. Believe me, I will use this up, my dears. Will I actually purchase it? Nope. Only because of the price. But, you know, I'm glad I have it. It's not a bag, it's not good, but I'll use it up. The next product that I got is the Beauty by POPSUGAR. It's the liquid eye color. Now, this one, I gotta be careful because it can look like lipstick, you know, especially with the applicator. Yeah, I know. I'm not very thrilled about the color. It's gray, but if you can tell, it's supposed to be metallic, but it's not very metallic, it's very sheer. So I can think of this more like a topper, or maybe your no makeup look, so you just want to feel like you have a little bit of shine, a little bit of shimmer, because I'm like that. You just want to feel like it's there, even though no reality is not really seen as much. This would be perfect for you. You do have to shake it up, because it even says, caution, shake well, hold upright. So I guess it may explode. Like, I'm very glad I have it, and it's something different. I don't have anything like this before. Will I ever purchase it? Maybe in different colors, I don't know. But, am I glad I have this? Yes. Is it unique enough? Yes. Like I said, I like it. It's not love, but I like, but I'm glad I got it. And the last thing I got in the box, LMR Cosmetics lip gloss. It has a little bit of, you know, some sparkles. The pink is sheer. It's sheer right here. So I would think, even though I have it on my lips now, it is very, very sheer. It's very smooth on your lips. I've been having this for a while. The stickiness is still there, but it's not as bad. So it kind of, I guess, warms up through your body temperature. So this I absolutely love. I'm looking forward to putting this on top of lipsticks, a lip gloss a little bit in the middle, you know, some shine. So this, I'm very happy I like it. And I do honestly like LMR Cosmetics. They have very good products. So, because everything I've gotten from them, I like. So this is definitely, I like. Well, my dears, that's everything I got this month. And the total for everything, my dears, is $231, my dears. And that mostly is because of this little thing that I personally would not be able to afford on my own, my dears. And this is like $25 a month, so that's not bad. Now, do I think the box this month was actually worth it? Yes, I really love all the products that I got in this box. I really don't have much of a dud at all, really. I have a like, maybe not love, but a very strong like. So I will definitely be using everything. And for once, I don't have to have products that I have to like, ooh, I think 1 month it was like, got a pot that's not even my age, I gave to my mom, and yeah. So this, for July, it's not bad. It can wait, but it's not bad. I really, really enjoy it, and yeah, and for $25 a month, not bad. So, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you got a Boxycharm for July, please let me know what you got and if you think it's worth it, because I'm kind of curious. Now, one last thing right before you leave. Be safe, be kind, be careful. I love you, I miss you, and I'll see you in my next video. See you soon.